Hello and welcome to ittrainer.guru. ittrainer.guru is an IT training institute. We are based in London. We specialize on SAP training, software testing training, PHP, .NET, mobile application development, SharePoint and Salesforce training. We are teaching our candidate niche technologies which enable them to find work from an open market. What are the prerequisites and who should pursue this training has been explained on the following slide. So let's talk about SAP training first of all. So as you know, SAP consultants, they are earning good amounts of money. It's a very lucrative profession. If you have known about SAP and if you know anyone who is working as a SAP consultant, you know they are doing good. So what are the modules? If you are considering going for a SAP training, you need to know what are the modules which are on demand and where there are more number of jobs. The modules which are on demand is SAP Finance and Controlling, HR and Payroll, Business Intelligence, Sales and Distribution, Customer Relationship Management, Material Management and HANA. So first question it might arise is who should go for this training and which module? So if you are working in finance, whether it is in accounts payable, accounts receivable, central finance, purchasing, and if you know the basics of finance, you need to go for SAP Finance and Controlling. If you are a person who has got degree in HR and who knows bit about HR ins and out, the business processes within HR and payroll, then HR and payroll is the module for you. If you're good at database, you can go for business intelligence. If you're working as a salesperson or as a marketing person, you should go for sales and distribution or customer relationship management. If you're working in production environment or on a manufacturing company, if you know how the manufacturing or production work, then you can go for material management. And HANA is a big buzzword in SAP at the moment. So if you have got a background on networking or on a database, you can learn HANA and you can start your career on SAP. So there are a lot of institutes around London who are training SAP and people are getting trained and they're struggling to find their first break. So in the next slide I'm going to explain how things work at ittrainer.guru. So why us? What are the advantages you have if you go with IT training? So not only we provide training, but we do mentoring as well, and we give good amount of time for each candidate. So our goal is not just to train them but to place them as well. And all our trainers are industry experts. They know what they are doing. So when they provide training, it's a practical training in which we cover all the scenarios, examples of project, issues they have faced. So it is a more of a kind of a knowledge share kind of training. So also in any job interview, as you know, that you got to explain yourself why you fit for the job. So how a consultant need to explain what are the responsibility and what are the deliverables. So we teach our candidate how you need to highlight your USPs. So basically you are telling why you are the best candidate with giving up reasons why you are the best. We also help candidate on CV preparation, how you need to highlight your core skills and the key areas which are on demand. And also we ask our candidate to do a rehearsal because it's quite obvious to be nervous on an interview. So if you have rehearsed your interview skills on a given day, it definitely helps. So we do give our candidate question and answer and we ask them to rehearse. We also do mock interviews so that they will get used to with the interviews, so that they don't get nervous. They should be able to perform They can choose their words carefully when they are facing an interview. Also, we do provide 24/7 unlimited system access so that they can practice as and when they want to. And also, our training manuals are well documented. It's not just a kind of theory manuals. We do cover all the scenarios, issues, project work, what is expected from you as a consultant. And last but not the least, we also offer internships. So we do help our candidate to find their first internship, or we kind of help them to find their first job into SAP. So it's a complete package. We are not just trying to hard sell, we are trying not to just train them, but also we help them place. We have got many examples where we have trained and placed candidates. So please visit our website and let us know what you think about these videos, and give us a call to find out more about our SAP training. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation. Thank you.